ও আপনি টেকনিক্যাল কিছু লাগবে নিয়ে নেন।
না
না আপনার টেকনিক্যাল বোর্ড তো হয় না, বোর্ড লেখাটা তো এটা আর ওইদিকে নেওয়া যাবে।
বেশি
নতুন কলম কিনে আছি দেখো
বোর্ড ক্লিয়ার পরবর্তীতে
চাই চাইছিলেন তো আমি
এডমিট দুজন আইয়ে বসে
আপনি 10:30টার ক্লাস না আমি যদি 11টার বেলা আর আপনার পেজের ক্লাস নিতে কই হয়
বাজে মাত্র 39
এখন চলে টাইম টু টাইম আগে করতে হইবে
আর কি
এটা আজকে
একটা অপোজিং আর একটা
আপনি করেন ওই যে অল এডমিট অল দিয়ে দেন
এই যে এডমিট ওয়ালা ক্লিক করে দিন
আচ্ছা দেখেন
দিছি একবার আবার যদি কোনো ডাইও
এই যে 1% ইজ ওয়েটিং
না ওই
তো ওরা ঢুকছে এটা এডমিট অল দিয়ে দেন
এডমিট ওয়ালা দিছি তো এখন যেটা এই এডমিট
ওদের রিপ্লে তো শোনা যায় না ওদের রিপ্লে
শোনা যায়
হ্যাঁ সামনে হ্যাঁ ফ্যান্সার
শোনা যায়
তাই আমি কি শুরু করে দেয় সময়টা
চল্লিশে শুরু করে
কই সাউন্ড কি করে দেয়
এখন ঠিক আছে আপনি ওরা
এই যে হেডফোন দেওয়া যায় হেডফোন দেওয়ার কোন সিস্টেম আছে কখনো কখনো
এসে দিয়ে
তো এইটা
তাদের যে ছোট
সমস্যা নেই আমি যদি ওখানে যাই তখনই দিয়ে দেন
হেডফোন দিলে কিন্তু অবসান শুনতে হবে হেডফোনে
হ্যাঁ ফোনই তো চাই
তখন ওরা লাউড স্পিকারে
না দাউডে দরকার নেই পার্টিসিপেন্ট কজন
হেডফোন হ্যালো
হ্যালো হ্যালো
তারা কিছু বলে
হ্যালো তোমরা কি শুনতে পাচ্ছো হ্যালো
মুখ কিছু না অনেক আছে ভিডিও
হ্যালো হ্যাঁ আমাকে কি শুনতে পাচ্ছো তোমরা হ্যালো হ্যালো আমার আইডি দিয়ে নেওয়া হয়তো ভালো ছিল আমাকে কি শুনতে পাচ্ছো তোমরা রাকিব হ্যালো হ্যাঁ আমাকে কি শুনতে পাচ্ছো
হ্যালো
আমাকে কি শুনতে পাচ্ছো
জি স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছি
আচ্ছা ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ
জি স্যার
ওকে ওকে ওকে
আচ্ছা জি স্যার
এডমিট অল Can you hear me please? Can you hear me? Replay please. Sangita. Sangita, can you hear me? Atik? Hello? Atik? Hello viewers. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to take our online classes from today as I scheduled before on my FB ID. So how are you viewers? I on behalf of Kalishuri Degree College, HM Nadir Shah, invite you all to take our online class. We are discussing about English past paper. English past paper. If you have any problem, on paper 1, 100 marks, you can give a replay, please. If you look at the whiteboard, you will see the mark definition. If you look at the whiteboard, you will see the mark definition. Can you hear me, please? Rakib, Shongita, Atik, can you hear me? Tariq?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, if you have any problem, you can tell it into Bengali. I will give replay into English. If you have any replay, any question, please ask me in Bengali. I will give it my replay into English. So, in first paper, we have 100 marks. 3 passages will be examination first. So, can you hear me? Any problem? Okay, thank you. So there are 3 passages. There will be 3 passages will come in the question, and you have to give the answer of all 3 passages. First, you have to read all the passages very carefully. Can you see the whiteboard, please? Can you see the whiteboard? The written in here. Can you see it? Can you see something?
Bye. Yes,
Can you see something writing on the whiteboard, please? Please give replay, Rakib. Can you hear me? Sangita? So passages, there are 3 passages will come in the So first passages, if I can give an example of it is learned to you in my previous classes of in the coaching. I have told you about. So I am going to tell you about the passages in Lanchon. The Lanchon. Can you see the Lanchon? Lanchon, can you see it? If you have any problem in understanding, you can repeat it into Bengali. I can give you an answer into English. The Lanchon by Somerset Maugham. A Lanchon written by Somerset Maugham. This is a story. This is the story of a young writer. This is the story of a young writer. You have known it before. This is the story of a young writer versus a lady of at least 40 years of age. So the students, especially the boys students, you have to careful in your dealings with the girls in this period, because this is a period of especially the love making intermediate first year. So you have to be very careful in dealing with the woman. This is the moral lesson of the passage. So the writer start. Shongita, have you any problem? You are laughing. Have you any problem? This is the story. This is the story where a female person gets some shocked in it, but the male person becomes source of chance how to avoid or ignore the female person. So we are going to start our passage, that is Lanchon. Lanchon is the story of a writer, young writer, whose age was 20, and her lover or beloved, her age was 40. In fact, an unmissable happened. So the writer wrote some storybooks in that time in England, and the Lanchon has been having. So the female person read a book of the writer, and he wrote a letter to the writer praising about his book. The book was very much good in terms of writing, in terms of reading and understanding, but the lady was not so attractive, not so beautiful, not so nice as the writer expected. So she wants to meet with the writer And in her another letter, after 1 week maybe or so far, she wrote another letter to the writer, and in her letter she was requesting the writer to meet with her. The writer was very much young in his age, and he never learned to say no to such kind of the proposal of a woman. So according to their meeting, the time was set by the lady guest that the next or following Thursday at 12:30 p.m. They will meet at Fires Restaurant on 12:30 on the next Thursday. So according to the plan, the writer was waiting. The writer was waiting for the lady guest at Fires Restaurants. I have given now a clear idea of Fires. Fires was an expensive restaurant in Paris, and common people like the writer had no chance or no financial backup to enter into the Fires. It was so expensive that France senators could eat there. According to the previous plan, the writer was waiting for the lady guest to enter the Fires Restaurant, but when the writer saw the lady, he was amazed. He was amazed at the facial expression of the lady, because the writer expected that the lady was a woman of 20 or 25, but she was in fact a woman of 40 years age, but the writer's age was only 22. So it was unmatchable contribution, and lady guests have that evil idea to giving some loss, financial loss to the writer. So at first, when they entered into the Fires Restaurants, that writer offered her guest, what you have going to drink now. But the lady guest saying one dialogue has been started from the beginning until the finishing of the story or of the passage, and that is, I never ate more than one thing for luncheon. This is a common dialogue. This is a common dialogue by the lady guest, that I never ate or more than one thing for luncheon. But in fact, she took a half dozen items of food. The lady guest ate a half dozen of items of food in the Fires Restaurant, saying one dialogue, that I never ate more than one thing for luncheon. The lady expected to be not was money by the writer, but it was quite misunderstanding that the writer thought that the lady guest was an attractive woman, a lady of at least 22 or 25, but in her appearance it is imposing rather than attractive. She gave an expression of heavy, large and white teeth, which were necessary for any practical purposes, not making feelings, love or romanticism with the writer. So in that passage, when the bill of fare, the one thought is hovering into the writer's mind when the bill of fare would come, because the writer expected that he had 80 francs from the very beginning of the month. So a modest luncheon should not cost more than 15 francs. If the writer could cut out coffee for the next 2 weeks, he could manage it well. But the lady took the expensive items of food from the Fires Restaurant, which makes the writer quite thought or quite anxious about the rest of the month, how he could eat in the rest of the month. But finally, we see that the lady gets to salmon, champagne, caviar, asparagus, at least 6 items of food, half a dozen items of food she took in the Fires Restaurant, saying that she never ate more than one thing for luncheon. But only the writer chose the cheapest dish on the menu, that was mutton chop. Mutton chop, which was the cheapest dish on the menu. The writer took that menu, which was very cheap and easy in that restaurant. But the lady guest took half a dozen items, valuable or expensive items of food in that restaurant. So this is a moral lesson. This is a moral lesson for the students of the intermediate level, that they have not been fluttered by any kinds of lady or female person like the story luncheon. So you have to be very careful in your dealings with the ladies, with the females, with the girls in these levels, because it is the time to prepare yourself for your future career. How to build up your career is necessary, is maybe the main or prime thoughts of your mind, where feelings, romanticism, love making, such kind of gossiping is not necessary at all. The student of intermediate level, your prime plan, prime thought is how could easily you can pass in these stairs of intermediate level, because if you pass such kind of intermediate level or 2 years at least, if you tolerate some difficulty in these 2 years, a bright future will come or wait for you in the honors level, where you have performed some brilliancy in your life. And this is the moral lesson, this seems to be the moral lesson of the story, is that you have to be very much careful in your dealings with the female person in the intermediate level. The writer was young, the writer was very much young, and he could not been able to understand the evil motive of the lady guest. But this is a lesson for you, that you have to understand the missing that has been taken by the writer. You will not be missing such kind of opportunities. You have to be very alert. You have to be very aware of such kind of dismissal situation. So any question? You have any question? Please ask me in Bengali. I will give reply in English. Sangita, Rakib, you have any question? হ্যাঁ, tell me, Sangita.
কিছু শুনি না স্যার, কি প্রশ্ন করব? স্যার কিছু শুনি না স্যার, কি কোশ্চেন করব?
হ্যাঁ, now can you hear me please?
স্যার কিছু শুনি না।
You have to connect a headphone. You have to connect with a headphone, otherwise you will not be here. I have said it before that you need a headphone. You have to connect it with headphone, through a headphone, otherwise your audio sound, you can give your high volume audio sound, then you can hear me. Rakib, have you any question? Atik, you look so hazy. Have you any question about luncheon
No question.
or on
Really?
English first paper? Or on English first paper, if you have any question, please ask me in Bengali. You ask me in Bengali. Rakib, Atik, the person who are waiting, I can allow you. Tarikul, can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you have any question, please ask me in Bengali. I will give my reply in English. Tarikul, Rakib,
Yes, sir.
Sangita,
Yes, sir.
any question you can ask to me in Bengali.
No.
I can hear you clearly.
No, sir, কোনো question নাই.
Next, we have to discuss about the first passages. We are going to discuss about the second and third passages. So there will be a multiple choice question come. There are 5 marks. There are 5 marks. You have to put across or write signals into the right word. What is, if I can ask a question to you, how was the old of the lady guest? If I ask to you the question, how was the old of the lady guest, or how was the age of the lady guest? There are 4 answer will be given here. One is 30, one is 40, one is 20, one is 15. So the accurate answer is that the lady was a woman of 40. So you give a click here on 40. There are 5 questions here and 5 marks will be at there. This is the first passage, and the second passage there will be question. It's in first passage also there are 5 question here, and it has divided into 10 marks. Each question contains 2 marks, 5 question contains 10 marks. So if I can question you, Rakib, please hear. Can you hear me? If I can question you, Rakib, how was the writer? What is your answer? Rakib,
Sir.
Tarikul,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what was the age of the writer? What was
I don't know.
the age of the writer? Young, old? Yes, the passage Lanchon. What was the age of the writer? Can you hear me, Tarikul?
Sir, no.
Why? Where was the problem? How old
Sir, I'm
was
both of the case.
the writer? The writer was young. I have said several times in the past that the writer was young. So this is an easy answer. You have failed to give it. The writer was young in his age. Same like that, there are 5 questions will come, and each question contains 2 marks. So 5 questions contains 10 marks. Then come the second passage. Second passage, if I discuss about the second passage, this may come as for example like Kuakata. Kuakata, Tarikul, Songita and Rakib. Have you any knowledge about Kuakata? Can you hear me? Tarikul, Rakib, Kuakata.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Kuakata, it is the greatest tourist spot in Bangladesh and also all over the world. It is situated in the Potuakhali district of Borishal division under Kolapara Sodor Thana. It is 70 kilometers away from Potuakhali and 270 kilometers away from the capital city of Dhaka. It is the greatest and universal sea beaches in Bangladesh, also all over the world. It is unique in one sense that a tourist can watch the sunrise and sunset even sitting at Kuakata. But there are no other sea beaches in the world where the writer can watch the 2 scenes. One is sunrise, another is sunset. No other sea beaches like Thailand in Pattaya, Bangkok, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Dighar in India, no other, and also Cox's Bazar in Bangladesh, you can not see any kind of 2 sunrise and sunsetting situation from one place. This is Kuakata is unique. Kuakata is unique in such a sense that a visitor can watch the sunrise and sunset sitting at Kuakata. So this makes Kuakata indifferent from other sea beaches of the world. If a visitor can go to Kuakata, he can see some vast oceans of the Bay of Bengal, shimmering waves of the Bay of Bengal, blue sky. You can see some tribal people, Rakhine people took shelter in that area, expelled from Myanmar, and they took shelter on the coast of Bay of Bengal, and they make a whale or kua. That is why this name is Kuakata. So if this passage come, into the question, if I can ask you write something, some 5 lines or short notes in his boxes about Kuakata. 5 lines. Tarikul, Rakib, can you hear me? 5 lines.
Yes, sir.
You have to choose 5 lines, only 5 lines in the 5 boxes from the question. 5 lines from the question. So first line, what will be the first line? First line, Kuakata is situated in the southern part of Bangladesh. Number 1. Number 2, it is unique in one sense that visitor can see the sunrise and sunset from Kuakata. Number 3, Kuakata is a holy place for the tribal people. Number 4, a visitor can bath into the shimmering water of the Bay of Bengal. Number 5, a Buddhist temple will set there. These 5 sentences, if you can write the 5 sentences into the boxes, then you will get 10 marks. So this is number 2. And if we discuss about the third passage, there come etiquette and manner. Rakib Tarikul,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sangita, etiquette and manner. I have
Yes, sir.
discussed many times in the classes. Can you remember it? Etiquette and manner.
Yes.
Perhaps you think that third passage is etiquette and manner. What do you mean by etiquette and manner? This means the polite behavior. A student have to throw a polite behavior on among the teachers, among the elders, elders in the family, in the society, in the country, national or international area. This is the polite behavior by a student. Because when the student come from various or multifarious institutions in Bangladesh into the intermediate level, they have no knowledge about the polite behavior. Which behavior you could give, or you could give, maybe I can say it that you could perform with your teacher, with your elder brother, with your parents, with your grandparents in the family, society, country. So etiquette and manner, if you have some manner, if you learn some manner of behaving with the other, behaving with the teacher, behaving with the elder, behaving with the elder brothers in the institution, this is the passage where a student can learn the systems, learn the norms, learn the rules of cleanliness. A student become unclear in his performing with daily life. He had never brushes his teeth. I can say it before. He can never use any kind of fragrance to his body, so some bad smells come from him. This is also a part of etiquette and manner. You are a student, you have to be standard in all cases, not with the not your performance with the books, but you have to be perform your duties and responsibilities into the institution, into the family, into the society, into the country, across the country. These are some rules and resolution a student can earn and learn in the intermediate level. So that is why this passage will be allotted here, that the students get some source of respectivity, some source of responsibility, which way he could behave with his teachers, with his fellow mates, with his close friends, with his elders in the college, also family, society, national, international level. So this passage, this is an example. This is the third passage. So there, Tarikul, can you hear me? Rakib?
Yes, sir.
In the third passage, the question will come that give a summary or give the main idea of the passage. So what would be the main idea of the passage? Online in Bengali, Tarikul. What is the main idea of the passage? Bengali, in Bengali, you can tell it Bengali. The summary of the passage, etiquette and manner. Please, in Bengali, tell. Rakib, you are watching me, but you are not telling anything. Why? Rakib, You are watching me, but you are not telling anything. Tarikul,
Yes, sir.
online in Bengali, please tell me.
স্যার প্রেসের সম্পর্কে তো স্যার এরকম ধারণা নাই।
Online, adequate and manner, online. Tell me in online, only online, simple line in Bengali, not English.
জি স্যার বুঝতে পারছি কিন্তু
This passage dealt with the polite, the norms of behavior, the rules of behavior by a student towards the elders. Understand?
জি স্যার আই ক্যান আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড।
Thank you. So this means the norms or the rules of behavior by a student for his teachers, roommates, fellow classmates, elders, parents, and other relatives in the society, family, country, and across the country. So these are 3 passages I have discussed with you on choose the best answer and answer to the question. Then the boxes, 5 sentences in the boxes, and then finally the summary or main idea of the passage. This has given 35 marks if you understand, if you read again and again in the passage. So answer is given with your passage. You look or you find your answers on those passages. So it is very much necessary for you to read again and again in that 3 passages. If you read very clearly in that 3 passages, you will get at least 25 marks out of 35. So 1, 2, 3. Then number 4, a question will come, that is some word in the boxes, 10 words in the boxes, and a passage will be set there. It is your duty to read the passage and fill in the blanks, fill in the 10 blanks. By the 10 word you can choose according to your meaning from the boxes, and if any grammatical change necessary, you can change it. So there are 5 marks in number 4, and number 5 there are 10 marks. There will be given 10 marks. Fill in the blanks without clues. So no clue will be given there to the students. You read the passage again and again, and you have put the right word into the right boxes. There are 10 marks. So 10 and 5, 15 and 35, 50 marks. Today I discuss 50 marks on first paper, and in my last classes I discussed about 100 marks of English second paper, and I in this class I now discuss with you about the 50 marks. Inshallah, in next class we will discuss with you another 50 marks. So any problem in understanding with this 50 marks, Tarikul, Shangita, and Atik, you have any problem? Have you any problem? Have you faced any problem in understanding the 50 marks? If you have faced any problem, it is a pleasure for me that my honorable teacher Mr. Khalidur Rahman is joined on my live class. Assalamu alaikum, sir. It is a pleasure for me. It is a really pleasure for me that I give you on the online. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Rakib, Shangita, and Tarikul, have you any problem in understanding the 50 marks I discuss with you? No replay. I can find from your points. Rakib, Tarikul, Shangita, no replay. So our time limitation, our time limitation will seems to be over. So viewers, dear my students, my honorable teacher, honorable sir, Mr. Khalidur Rahman, this is my time. My time is over, and I want to take goodbye from you. So I hope you can keep fit in your life, taking your prayer in the perfect time. And this, as we or I or we, everybody has learned that there is an epidemic disease is hovering into the world as well as in also in Bangladesh, that is COVID-19. So we are still alive here. This is a matter of grace by the Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah, that we are still here. So all the Muslims, I can pray for all the Muslims of the world that Allah give them some peace who take goodbye from us. I can pray that in their departed soul will be rested in peace under the grace of Almighty Allah. So this is the finishing moment for me. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
জি স্যার।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।